Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are opening up my 30-second Stitch Fix box, so my 30-second fix. And the lighting is starting to get weird in here. Isn't it sad how it gets dark so early these days? I'm gonna try and make it quick because you can probably see like there's like some reflection or anything like that. So my apologies if the lighting isn't the greatest. But anyways, if you do not know what Stitch Fix is, let me just tell you a little bit about it. It is a styling service. It's not always really a subscription because you don't have to like subscribe to get it every month or any frequency. You can just get it as needed, so you can just put in a request, or you can sign up to get it like every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. You can really customize the schedule based on your preferences, and you also can customize so many other things. So you do pay a $20 styling fee for your fix, and that goes towards any purchases you make. Each box comes with 5 items, and based on the style profile you fill out when you first sign up, you'll have a stylist pick these items for you. So the items can range from like dresses, tops, pants, shoes, accessories, whatever you select to get in your box. You can opt out of certain items, so really this is a customized box. And if you keep all of the 5 items that you get sent to you, you save 25%. So in that survey I told you about, like when you first sign up, you can also tell them not only your style preferences, but also your price preferences. So I think that's a neat option. So if you want to pay the minimum amount, that's like an option to click on. I think that might be what I clicked. Or it's like you can say I'll pay, for example, like between $50 to $100 for jeans or something like that. I do have a referral link that will give you $25 Stitch Fix credit. So if you are interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, definitely take advantage of that. So in the box we're about to open today, we'll have 5 items, and also inside is a bag. So if you want to return any items and not keep them, there's a pre-labeled bag that you can ship them back. So you don't pay shipping either way. And I think that's enough information. I'm just trying to be snappy and fly through it since we've done these Stitch Fix openings several times now. I have a whole Stitch Fix playlist. If I probably go way more in depth in certain videos. If you want to learn more, you can always ask me a question down below. But anyways, let's get started and see what my stylist sent me this month. I will leave timestamps down below that will tell you when we do the unboxing and then also the try-on portion. So I will be trying on these items today, and you have to help me decide what I should keep. I would love your input. So here is that resealable bag, and then there's an envelope with some information, and then your clothes come so nicely wrapped up so you can kind of get like a sneak peek. Wow, there's some beautiful prints in there, aren't there? I'm excited. So in that envelope there is an invoice that tells you the pricing for all of the items, and it also tells you how much you would save if you kept everything. So I'll keep this nearby to reference throughout the try-on and unboxing. And then there's another card here that'll have a note from your stylist and also give you some like style tips on your items. So I have the same stylist this time. Her name is Abby. When you check out after trying on all your items, you can select to keep the same stylist, or if you weren't really happy with your fix, you can say that you want a new one. So that's another nice thing they do. So yeah, here's some like outfit suggestions and everything. I'm not going to read the note because usually she talks about the items inside and how I can use them. But yeah, let's see what we got. Ooh, the first item. This is by Vixby. This is a blouse. This is super cute. I like the print on this. And it looks like there's like a little tie at the where it hits on the waist. So I'm excited to try this on. Let's see how much this costs. Hopefully not too much because I'm on a very limited budget right now. So this is the Vixby Steve tie front blouse, and this is $40. Oh, here's another pretty top. So this is kind of like an open blouse, so you'd have to wear this with like something I'm like wearing today, like a tank top. I always try and just wear minimal things for these try-on videos, so it's easy. I guess it could be considered lazy, but here is the blouse. So this is good. So if you don't know, I live in Florida. It's actually like in the 60s today, but it's pretty warm here. So this is an appropriate, or this is inappropriate. It's not like I said inappropriate. This is appropriate for my weather where I live. I think this is really pretty. So let's see, where is this? This is the Lush Damaris wrap blouse, and this is $42. The next item we have here looks like a dress. Oh, this is pretty. It's so like stretchy and comfortable. It's a navy blue dress. This is by Haley 23, I think is how you say it. So this is like cap sleeves. I can't even tell if you guys can see. Again, I'm going to be trying this on so you will get a better idea of what it looks like. But I think I might like this. It feels, I love like comfy dresses that are still like fitting, like and flattering yet comfortable. So hopefully this fits that. So this is their Macy knit dress, and it is $54. Oh, whatever this is really soft. Oh, this is like a cozy sweater. Okay, nice. This is like an open cardigan. You guys, this feels so insanely soft. Oh my gosh, this is by August Mist, the Hadley Brush Knit Cardigan. Oh my god. It's like the one cool day here. Of course I'm gonna try this on, I want it, but I don't really like need things like this. But this is $38. That's not too bad. Sometimes sweaters can be expensive, especially when they feel this nice of quality. But we'll try that on in a bit. I'll probably try that on first. And the last item in here is very bright and yellow. Let's see, it's like a pretty mustard yellow actually. Oh, this is a pretty dress. So see, my stylist really understood that where I live, like I could wear things like this. This is like, you know, you guys are like probably somewhere where it's like snowing, you're like, what? Oh, it has pockets too. It has like scalloped pockets. I don't know if you guys can tell. Hopefully this fits, let's see. So this is Market and Spruce Crispy Scallop Detail Dress. This is $68. So this is the most expensive item. This is kind of a lot of money for me, but the other items like $30, $40 range, I like that. That's more, you know, my vibe. But the subtotal of everything is $242. If I decided to keep all, I'd save 25% and I would save $60.50. And it would be like $181.50. So still a lot of money, but like for 5 items, not too bad if they all worked out for me. So let's get started on the try-on portion and see if they really do work out or not. So here is a sweater. Obviously I wouldn't be like wearing shorts probably in a time I need this. It is super comfy. There aren't pockets or anything like that, but I do like it. Oh man, you can see the reflection from the blinds, sorry. Maybe I'll try and move the camera for the next item. But I think you guys can get the overall gist. I think this is so soft. And I would probably normally get it, but since I'm on a limited budget, I don't know if I need this right now, but oh, I wish you guys could feel it. But anyways, I am going to go move on to the next item. Yeah, I don't know about this. I like untied something and now I just feel like, I don't know, but I was gonna spend all this time like fixing the knot and stuff, but I mean, overall it's pretty cute. Maybe if I tie this better. So there's like 2 ties. So one is on the inside, you tie it here, and then you also just like tie it in front. I don't know. I'm not gonna spend too much time fussing with it. I love the print and everything. I just don't think I would get much use out of this. And sorry, I feel like my head's cut off in this. But you guys can see the clothes better, I guess. Again, like, isn't that print so pretty? I just wish it wasn't like so complicated. I just know myself and I don't think I'd spend so much time like tying. I mean, again, lazy girl here. I don't know. You guys have to let me know. But let's move on to the next item. So I'm kind of bummed. Like, I really like this top, but I had to pull up my shorts because where it cuts off right here is like showing my belly button and stuff, maybe even higher than that. So, well, you'd have to wear this with like super high waist? Or do I just have a really long torso? Like, otherwise I like it, but like, look at the, I mean, I guess you can wear like a tank top underneath, but I still don't like that. Oh, what a bummer. I really wanted like to like this. So again, this is the Bixby Steve tie front blouse and it was $40, but like, what is this? Like, no. So I think there's finally an item I like. This dress is so comfy and it is like super stretchy and fitting, but is like kind of fitting like, you know, the waist, which I think is flattering. super comfy. You guys have to let me know how it actually looks on me though. It's like, kind of like poofs out a little here, but you know, I've got a little gut going on, so that's kind of a good thing. So how much was this? This might be a keeper. Let's see. So this was $54. So I think I like it and I think I'd get some use out of it, but please let me know. Does this look good on me or no? And let's try in the last dress now. I don't know why. I'm afraid it like won't fit me, but we'll see in just a second. So I predicted correctly. This dress has like snap closures in the back, like right behind the bust area, and I can't even get close to closing it. I mean, the idea of it's cute, but yeah, I don't even think I would wear this much. So yeah, you guys, that is everything from the box. I honestly think the only thing I'm considering keeping is that navy dress. But you guys have to let me know your thoughts, what you think I should keep. I do like that this dress has pockets. Can you guys even see my hand? I'm just gonna bend down and say my goodbyes to you. But yeah, I think I'm only going to keep that navy dress if anything, but I would love to hear your feedback. And again, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, definitely use that referral code so you get $25 credit. And yeah, thanks in advance for your feedback. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.